Hey, welcome to my channel. Okay, so today we're going to be doing pigtail ponytails. Yes, 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 pigtail ponytails. But we are going to braid them instead of doing like the traditional ponytails and we just put knockers on them and everything. I decided, hey, let's create a pigtail ponytail for little girls that'll probably last anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks with proper maintenance and proper coverage, making sure that you cover the hair every night. So starting out, I am using the Murray's Edge Wax in the yellow container. I find that the consistency is much easier to maneuver through the hair versus the very resistant one in the white container. I really don't like that one. So as you can see, I went in and diagonally parted the hair. I am going to create one ponytail behind the right ear and one ponytail right above the top side of the left ear. As you can see, the way that we are starting out the ponytail, we're going to create the way that we want the ponytail to go. So because I want the ponytail behind the right ear, I went on ahead and I parted it out. I used my edge wax, and it helps with laying down curly hair. If you find that your little person has very, very curly hair, wax works great on curly hair. This baby here has very soft curly hair, and you can tell by her edges and you can tell by her neckline how soft her hair is and how the hair just lays. So once I went in and we shampooed and blowed out the hair, then I used the edge wax to then start out the braiding process, and it lays the hair beautifully. The hair choice that I'm using is the Xpressions braiding hair. I went in and I cut the braiding hair in half because it already comes like 84 inches. So I cut it in half, which then gives me two full packs of hair if like I went into the store and I bought 2 packs of hair. And then I went again and I cut it again in half because my little person is only 3, she'll be 4 this year. I went in and I wanted to make sure that she looks like a 3 to 4 year old. I don't want her to have like long dramatic ponytails. I wanted to go in and make them look like nice kitty ponytails. Each time I started the braid, because I want the braids to look like her natural hair, I started the braid off with her hair. So I go in at about 3 to 4 turns through the braid before I start adding in the Xpressions hair. And with the Xpressions hair, I only add anywhere from 3 to 5 pieces. That way it looks naturally like her hair. And the pieces, as you can tell, are very fine pieces of hair. That way, it's really only there for stability. It's not there to really create like the thickness in the braid because I want the hair to look like her natural hair. I just want it to be sturdy enough that the braid holds for that 2 to 3 week hold. And as we get into, creating the ponytail, just follow the way that you want the ponytail to go. So however you decide to create the pigtail ponytail, just follow the pattern. And as you can see, I went larger from the outside and then I got smaller in the inside. And then I just followed the pattern into where I want the ponytail to start. So this is a different angle here. As you can tell, I'm using the edge wax to lay down her hair, to clean out my parts, and then I start braiding her hair. Starting with her natural hair, I go about 3 to 4 different turns. Then I add in small bits of the Xpressions hair to give a little more stability to the braid and so that the braids last a little bit longer. So I'm going to finish up this side, and I hope by now that you've hit the subscribe button, the like button, and gave me a comment on what you think about this. So once again, thank you all for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Holla at your girl.